अस्सलाम वालेकुम दोस्तों, कैसे हैं आप सब। उम्मीद करता हूँ आप सब ठीक ठाक होंगे, खैरियत से होंगे जी। ये आज हमारा EDS का 8वां लेक्चर है जिसमें हम ह्यूमन फिजियोलॉजी के जो इम्पोर्टेंट क्वेश्चंस हैं उसके MCQs देखेंगे। और ये वैसे तो EDS के ये जो जितनी मैं सीरीज़ बनाता जा रहा हूँ आप इनको ध्यान से अपने नोटबुक में लिखते जाएं, क्योंकि ये म्यूनिसिपल ऑफिसर की जॉब हो, टाउन ऑफिसर की जॉब हो, या IBA ने जो अभी टेस्ट लेना है उसकी है टेस्ट, और FIA की टेस्ट है, इंस्पेक्टर इनलैंड रेवेन्यू की टेस्ट है, ये जितने भी क्वेश्चंस हैं ये इनमें से आने ही आने हैं। ये वीडियोस आपने लाजमी देखनी है। तो आइए बिना किसी देर के शुरू करते हैं। तो हमारा पहला क्वेश्चन है जी, विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग इज नॉट ट्रू रिगार्डिंग सेलेविया। तो इसका ये है, इट डज नॉट हैव एनी रोल इन swallowing of food. It contains digestive enzymes. It is a colorless fluid. It is secreted by salivary glands. Most of the water in the alimentary tract is absorbed through large intestine. Villi are not found in stomach. A tooth is made up of a solid bony tissue known as dentine. ये important question है, ये आ सकता है। Which is the largest internal organ in the human body? Liver होता है जी ये। The surface of crown of tooth is covered with a strong protective layer called enamel. Which of the following prevents food from entering the trachea? Bracket windpipe. Epiglottis. ये हमारा दूसरा क्वेश्चन है, which is not a part of small intestine. Caecum, या इसको काइकुम भी कहते हैं। Which of the following is the common passage for the food eaten and the air breathed? Pharynx. There are dash pairs of salivary glands present in the mouth. 3. Which is not a part of the large intestine? Ileum. Tuft of capillaries inside the Malpighian body is known as glomerulus. Which of these is not a normal constituent of urine? Sugar, urea, and creatinine. Sugar. Which process does not occur in the nasal activity? Exchange of gases. Exchange of air occur in dash which are known as air sacs. Alveoli. Write the correct sequence of pathway through which air travels after entering the body. Pharynx, larynx, trachea, bronchiole, bronchioles. Normal rate of respiration in an adult human being is 20 times. Dash investigates the body structure, whereas Dash investigates the process of function of living things. Anatomy, physiology. Anatomy और ये physiology. What is the normal heart rate of a adult man / woman? 60-100. Universal blood donor belongs to the group of O. Which of the following is produced by pancreas? Insulin होता है जी. Besides ATP, the end products of aerobic respiration are carbon dioxide and water. Anaerobic respiration produces dash ATPs and dash is a waste product. Anaerobic respiration produces 2 ATPs and lactic acid is a waste product. Aerobic respiration produces 38 ATPs and does require oxygen. Given these parts of a nephron, 1 renal corpuscle, collecting duct, 3 loop of Henle, 4th distal tubule, and 5 proximal tubule. Arrange the parts in order as fluid flows from the filtration membrane through the nephron. इसका ये होता है जी 15342. In a normal human cell, there is dash R oblique R dash pairs of autosomal chromosomes and dash pairs of sex chromosomes. ये 20, 22 और ये हो गया 1. Which organ system removes substances from the blood, combats disease, maintains the tissue's fluid balance, and absorbs fat from the digestive tract? Lymphatic. Which organ system consists of hormone-secreting glands such as pituitary and thyroid gland? Endocrine gland होता है ये. The wrist consists of 8 carpal bones. Muscle cells that are cylindrically and branched, each with a single certainly located nucleus and that contract spontaneously, are cardiac muscles. The largest percentage of plasma is water. All of the formed elements of blood are derived from stem cells. What are the leukocytes that produce antibodies and other chemicals? Lymphocytes. Blood is a type of connective tissue. The liquid component of blood with the clotting factors removed is the serum. A specialized lymphatic vessel located in the lining of small intestine that help with absorption of fats and other substances from the digestive system are lacteals. The transparent anterior portion of the outer eye coat, which allows light rays to enter the interior of the eyes, is a scleria. The colored blue, brown, green portion of eye is seen in an anterior view is which of the following? Iris. Clouding of lens occurs in which of these eye disorders? Cataract. Cataraction of which of the following muscles is involved with changing the shape, thickening of the lens? Ciliary muscles. Which layer of eye contains the photoreceptor cell? Retina. Which of the following is commonly called the blind spot of an eye? because it lacks a photoreceptor cell, optic disc. An eye that is too long or oval results in poor distance vision is a disorder called nearsightedness or myopia. The lipid hormone are either steroids or derivative of fatty acids. The hypothalamus regulates the secretory activity of pituitary gland. Oxytocin causes both A and B. Milk ejection in lactating females, uterine contraction. Anterior pituitary hormone include oxytocin and EDS. The acid that helps in digestion is hydrochloric acid. Bile is secreted by liver. The largest organ of human body is skin. The process by which large pieces of food are cut and crushed into smaller pieces is called mechanical digestion. Enzyme in saliva helps to digest carbohydrates. The gastric juice produced in the stomach contains mucus, hydrochloric acid, and pepsin. The wave-like movement of muscle of digestive system is called peristalsis. The enzyme that digest protein is pepsin. The tube that connects the mouth to the stomach is called esophagus. The process of breaking down the large droplet of fat into small droplet of fat is called emulsification. Lipase, an enzyme found in the small intestine, digests fat and oils. The digestion of all types of nutrition is completed in small intestine. Food that leaves the stomach is in the form of thick liquid is called chyme. दोस्तों उम्मीद करता हूँ ये वीडियो आपको पसंद